Hi guys, I'm Priyanka here and I'm here to show you how to crochet these bags from ribbon. It's a super beginner friendly tutorial, so keep watching. The material needed for this tutorial are a 3-inch ribbon, 12 hook, a pair of scissors and a stitch marker. And now let's chain 8. Let's not do very tight chains. Let's yarn over, pull through. Please excuse me because this is my first video that I'm filming for you guys. A lot of requests had come in to make this bag and show how I've made this, and it's super easy with one stitch all over. So here's my tutorial. Let me count the stitches: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and we'll do one more. So we have our 8 chains here, and we have a 8 chains here. If you want the bag to be a little big, you can alter the number of chains. It's not going to make any difference. We don't have any calculations as per the chains. You can do as many chains as you like. We're doing a chain 8 here, and now we're going to single crochet into each chain till the end of the row. Let's single crochet into each chain till the end. It's going to be a little difficult to crochet through the ribbon because it's tough, because it's thick, sorry. For the first single crochet, I'm going to put a stitch marker on the first single crochet. We've marked our first single crochet, and now you can go ahead and do a single crochet into each one till we reach the end. I'll see you at the end. Okay, we are now at our last chain, and we are going to do 2 chains in the last chain over here. And one more. So we are now here at the end of the row with 2 stitches in the last stitch, and now we'll turn to the other side and crochet the entire other side with 1 single crochet in each stitch. We're now moving on the other side and crocheting all over, single stitches till the end, and I'll meet you right at the end. We are done with crocheting 1 single crochet in each stitch, and we've reached here at the last stitch. Let's do 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Like this, and now we will do 1 single crochet here where we have marked our first stitch. That's where we'll do 1 more single crochet. So we did 2 here at the turning, and now we'll do 1 more here at the turning to end this row. So single crochet into the first stitch, like this. Continue to do single crochets all over. We'll keep going with single crochets in each stitch. There is no slip stitch. We'll just continue with single crochets all over. Let me show you how. We will now remove the stitch marker. Okay, from here we are just going to go round and round, putting one single crochet in each stitch. There is no slip stitch, there's no end of row. We'll just keep going in rounds. I'll show you how. This is the first stitch that we started with, so let's go with one stitch here, and single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, and we just keep going like that in rounds. This is where we'll do our first single crochet of the next row, this one right here. We're just single crocheting above each stitch, just one single crochet above each, no increase or decrease, just follow the stitches. We've reached on the other side and we're just going above each stitch, doing single crochet on each stitch and nothing else, no increase, no decrease, just going round and round. It's going to look like this once you finish the end of the row. I have my stitch marker on to know which side I started from. So yes, this is just the first row that I have finished, and just going above each stitch, doing single crochet one in each stitch. That's it. This is what it looks like after round 2. Here I'm at my round 6, and I feel like I want to end the bag here. I'm just going to crochet the straps now. It's just going to be just chains long enough to go across my shoulder, and just I'm going to tie it up on the other end. But if you guys want to go want to do more rows, you guys can of course just keep going in rounds, just one single crochet over the other. For now I'm going to start with the strap. It's just chains, so let's begin. Also do this without the straps and just um, do the bag without the straps. Just gonna chain, and I'm just gonna chain all across till I reach here. Okay, so I have reached the other end with my strap, and I'm just gonna fix it on the other side. Okay, so my strap is done and I'm just gonna fix it here on the other side. Uh, just chains across. Unfortunately, there was a knot in the ribbon, so we'll do something about this later. But right now, let's attach the strap here. So what I'm going to do is I just went below the chain here, which is right opposite the chain on the other side. I'm just going to go opposite here and slip stitch the strap. Oh my god. Okay. And that's the bag that's here. We just need to fix this up. Don't worry. We are also going to turn the bag inside out and the look is really going to change. Wait for it. Once you have slip knotted your strap, you'll just cut off the yarn, the ribbon, sorry, and fasten it. And this is how it's going to look like. It's a little messy right now, but do not worry. Uh, First thing, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the bag inside out. It's going to be difficult, but we'll have to turn the bag in. So the bag is now inside out, and the last step that we have to do is just weave in the ends. And ta-da! The bag is ready, looking very pretty.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let me know if there's anything that you needed to know. Bye.